At the doctor's office. Welcome. This is a reading and exercise video. First, you will learn important vocabulary from the text. Each word has a meaning and an example sentence. Then, you will have the text with the new words highlighted. You can pause and read it again. At the end, there is a short quiz to help you remember the words. Let's get started. Vocabulary. Checkup. A regular visit to the doctor to see if you are healthy. I take my daughter to the doctor for a checkup once a year. Appointment. A time you arrange to see a doctor. We have an appointment at 9 a.m. Receptionist. The person at the front desk who helps you when you arrive. I told the receptionist our names when we arrived. A waiting room. A place where you sit until the doctor is ready. We sat in the waiting room for a few minutes. Nurse. A medical worker who helps the doctor. The nurse checked my daughter's height and weight. Height/weight. How tall and how heavy someone is. The nurse measured her height and weight. Temperature. A number that shows if someone has a fever. The nurse checked her temperature with a thermometer. Blood pressure. The force of blood moving in the body checked with a cuff. The nurse checked my blood pressure before the doctor came in. Fever. When your body is too hot because you are sick. Emma didn't have a fever. Cough. A sudden sound when air comes out of your throat, often when sick. The doctor asked if she had a cough. Pain. A bad feeling in your body when something is wrong. She didn't have any pain. Stethoscope. A tool the doctor uses to listen to your heart and lungs. The doctor used a stethoscope to check her breathing. Vaccine. A small shot that helps protect you from sickness. Emma got a flu vaccine. Healthy. Feeling good and having no sickness. The doctor said she is healthy. Vitamins. Small pills that help keep your body strong. The doctor said she should take 1 vitamin every day. Fruits/vegetables. Healthy food that helps you grow and stay strong. I give her fruits and vegetables every day. At the doctor's office. Yesterday, I took my daughter to the doctor for a general checkup. Her name is Emma. She is 6 years old and very active. We go to the doctor once a year to make sure she is healthy. We arrived at the clinic at 9 a.m. I gave the receptionist our names and said, "We have an appointment." She told us to wait in the waiting room. After a few minutes, the nurse called Emma's name. The nurse took Emma's height and weight. She also checked her temperature and blood pressure. Then we went into the doctor's office. The doctor smiled and said, "Hello, Emma. How are you today?" Emma said she felt good. The doctor asked me some questions. Has she had any fever, cough, or pain? I said no. Then the doctor listened to her heart and lungs with a stethoscope. He looked in her ears, eyes, and throat. He said, "Everything looks good. Emma is healthy." He also gave her a small vaccine to protect her from the flu. Emma was very brave and didn't cry. Before we left, I asked some questions. I said, should she take any vitamins? The doctor said yes, 1 vitamin every day. I also asked about food. He said, give her fruits, vegetables, and water every day. We thanked the doctor and left the clinic. Emma got a sticker and a lollipop for being so good. Quiz. 1. What is a checkup? A new medicine. B. A regular visit to see if you are healthy. C. A kind of illness. D. A type of food. B. A regular visit to see if you are healthy. 2. What do you need to see the doctor? A. A receipt. B. A suitcase. C. An appointment. D. A report. C. An appointment. 3. Who is the first person you speak to at the clinic? A. The nurse. B. The receptionist. C. The pharmacist. D. The dentist. B. The receptionist. 4. Where do you wait before you see the doctor? A. The exam room. B. The hallway. C. The office. D. The waiting room. D. The waiting room. 5. Who checks your height and weight? A. The nurse. B. The teacher. C. The doctor. D. The patient. A. The nurse. 6. What do we measure when someone might have a fever? A. Weight. B. Blood. C. Temperature. D. Sleep. C. Temperature. 7. What is blood pressure? A. How hot your body is. B. A kind of food allergy. C. How fast your heart beats. D. The force of blood in the body. D. The force of blood in the body. 8. What is a fever? A. A pain in your leg. B. When your body is too hot. C. When you feel hungry. D. When your hands are cold. B. When your body is too hot. 9. What is a cough? A. A way to breathe slowly. B. A soft whisper. C. A sound you make when you are sick. D. A happy laugh. C. A sound you make when you are sick. 10. What does pain mean? A. A good feeling. B. A strong smell. C. A bad feeling in your body. D. A loud sound. C. A bad feeling in your body. 11. What tool does the doctor use to listen to your heart? A. Thermometer. B. Needle. C. Stethoscope. D. Mirror. C. Stethoscope. 12. What is a vaccine? A. A kind of food. B. A shot to protect you from sickness. C. A painkiller. D. A type of doctor. B. A shot to protect you from sickness. 13. What does healthy mean? A. Feeling sick. B. Feeling good and strong. C. Being tired. D. Having a cold. B. Feeling good and strong. 14. What are vitamins for? A. To make your food taste better. B. To help your body stay strong. C. To clean your hands. D. To help you sleep. B. To help your body stay strong. 15. What are fruits and vegetables? A. Types of drinks. B. Kinds of meat. C. Sweet snacks. D. Healthy food. D. Healthy food. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and leave a comment below to let us know what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video. If you would like to support the channel, please buy us a coffee in the link below.